Hello, my friends at SJP. I've been thinking a lot about this week's theme. Hazel's here hanging out with us. This week's theme was Boston Strong. And I was thinking about. Hello, Hazel says hi. And I've been thinking about what it means, Boston Strong. And I was thinking about that the thing is the heroes that help and save the day. And when we watch movies, we see that there are superheroes. But in the everyday life, sometimes those heroes are nurses or grocery store workers or police officers or firemen. So heroes come in every day in all shapes and sizes. So I decided, thinking about Boston Strong and thinking about the heroes, we are going to do a series of superhero drawings. I'm going to start with a couple and I'll add a few every day. If there's a superhero you want me to draw, shoot me an email, mention it in Instagram, or whatever way you need to get in touch with me, and let me know what hero you want to do. Please stop making faces. So we're going to get started with a whole mess of superheroes, okay?
Let's
Enjoy.
Get started with Thor. I folded my paper in half, top half for the head, bottom half for the body, okay? I'm gonna start like dead center in the top half with 2 circles. Try to make them the same size if you can. A good thing to trace for this would be like maybe a penny. And then we're gonna put a little circle off to the side of each one. That's the highlight. Now, what we're gonna do next is we're gonna try to make the same on both sides. So working on like a helmet. So it's like a J shape or backwards J shape. This is the J. That's the backwards J. And then 2 lines that sort of come down. Trust me, this will look like Thor. Right now it just looks strange. Now we want to make a V shape, smack dab in the middle. That comes almost to on top of the eyes, but not quite. And we're going to go and make not a straight up and down line, like off to the side a little bit, because then this will be a straight across line. And if you made this a little tall, that's okay. Erase. Oh, I don't have an eraser. Now, eyebrows. Some of us are awesome at eyebrows. The eyebrow is literally going to touch that. So, like a big backwards check mark, then a line across the top, and this one is going to be like a big check mark, and then a line across the top. Now, hang on. Excuse me, my goodness. Whatever that's out floating in the air for pollen is just killing me. Alright, so like 2 straight on the top and then curved. Straight on the top and then curved. Oh, it's catchy. You hear my husband sneeze in the other room? Alright, and now we're going to do a very slight curve here. And then, I don't know how to explain this. Almost like you're mirroring the curve there and there. And then come up. Bless you! It's hard to explain, but it's like a frowny face, a frown, and then some lines, like so. Now, we're going to do another little shape, like that, and then a teeniest little smiley shape. And then we want to connect this end and bring it right up to that little smiley shape, and bring that one right up to that little smiley shape. Should look like a beard of some sort. So now I want to bring this up. Bring this up. Oh, I might have gone too close to the top of the paper. Oh well, it happens. Here and here, and come down to a V. Go across and go up, not all the way to the top of the paper, but close. So now I need to make a something that goes like this. This is going to go right to the top of the paper. So now that I have that, that's like the top of his helmet. Now I can come all the way up, and I can do two little things like that there. Yeah, I might have gone too close to the top of the paper, but that's okay. So now the wings of that very cool helmet, do a little line straight down. And now we have this curve, right? So this is gonna sort of come right in and go and meet there. Almost like a backwards S, but then this is gonna be like a frontwards S. So curve in, down, and over. Boom. That looks much cooler, but it's a little complicated to do. So now we can do some cool stripy shapes. I mean, 3 of you can fit it. 2 if you can't. Okay. Neck, a little half circle shape. Then we're going to do 2 circles, 1 and then a circle inside a circle. This is called a rondelle, I think. It's actually something that attaches his cape to his armor. And then another little curvy shape. Might have made that too long, but that's okay. Another V, and a line that comes down. I might have gone too far. And then another V to come up. This is going to be like the collar. And if you ever need to go back, watch it again, maybe again, stop it, rewind it, do that as many times as you need to. Because sometimes you see stuff and you're like, wait a minute, what happened here? Yeah, I did make that too long. That's okay. Now a little, now this here was too long, so I'm going to leave it for now because I don't have an eraser, but I'll go in later. Alright, so this is going to start underneath the circles. And then I'm going to do one exactly over that in the exact same spot. Oh, now we're going to do legs. 1, 2, foot, and a foot, then a curve, and a curve, and then, just do another one with the soles of his shoes. Then this will go right up to that. cool thingies there. Now we're going to give him some arms. Give me a second. Okay. Arm. Let's do one arm. Like this. Like this. We'll do a little curve. Yes, Charlie? Yeah. There you go. I got it, Charlie. Okay, now we're gonna do the hand. So a thumb really is like a, almost like a spiral. And then we're gonna do fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, did we get that right? We did. Cool. Gotta have Thor's hammer. Okay, so it's gonna come off the edge of the page. Oh well. It happens. So that's one arm. He's gonna need another. This version of Thor has 2 arms. Forgot about that. And the hand, a spiral, almost. And then finger, 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 hand. And we'll do another, whatever this is. I don't know if that's supposed to be chainmail or just a cool pattern. So here he is, my adorable little chibi Thor, whose eyes I'm gonna make a smidgen bigger. Alrighty, so I am going to go ahead and get started with markers and crayons and color him in. Let's speed it up.